Welcome to another 10-minute standing yoga stretch. As always, you can do this one without a yoga mat. Just make sure you're standing somewhere where your feet won't slide. Let's get started with feet around hip distance apart. Place your hands on the bottom of the ribs. Eyes can be open or closed. Take a few deep breaths in and out through the nose. Expanding your belly, ribs and chest as you inhale, and contracting them as you exhale. Try to make each breath a little deeper, a little slower. Take one more big full breath in. Slow breath out. And open your eyes. Extend your arms to the sides, make fists, and begin to make circles with your hands, 5 times in one direction. And then change direction, 5 more circles. Place your hands to your shoulders, roll your elbows forward and up, back and down, making big shoulder circles, as big as you can. Change direction, a few circles to the other side. Release your arms, lower your right ear towards your right shoulder. Keep your left shoulder down, stretching the left side of the neck. And then lower your left ear towards your left shoulder, stretching the other side of the neck. Bring your head back to center. Bend your knees, sitting into kind of a chair pose, hands on the thighs. With inhale, lift your chest, draw your shoulders back, look up. Exhale, round the back, chin to chest, drop the navel in. Inhale, lift the chest, arch the back. Exhale, round. So it's like a cat and cow stretch, just in chair position. Keep moving with your breath, stretching the front and the back of the body. Let's do it one more time. With inhale, lift your chest. Exhale, round. And straighten your legs for 3 rounds of half sun salutation. On your inhale, circle your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, bend forward, bend your knees, relax the upper body over the legs. Inhale, lift your torso halfway up, straighten the spine, pull your chest forward. Exhale, bend forward, soften the knees. Inhale, come up to standing, reach your arms up, stretch up. Exhale, release arms to the sides. 2 more times like this. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, forward bend. Knees can be bent or straight if you feel good. Inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale all the way up to standing, reach your arms up. Exhale, release the arms down. Last round, inhale, stretch up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, come up to standing, raise your arms. Exhale, release. Let's do some balance now. Shift your weight into left foot. As you inhale, reach your arms up and lift your right knee high as you can. Exhale, lower the foot down, lower the arms. Inhale, left knee lifts, arms reach up. Exhale, lower the foot down and keep moving. Inhale, lift your right knee. Exhale, lower the right foot. Inhale, left knee up. Exhale, left foot down. 2 more times. Try to keep your balance and connect breath to the movement. Last round each side. And then bring your feet out a little wider, feet parallel, toes pointing forward. Keep your right hand on the hip. With inhale, reach your left arm up. Exhale, side bend. Breathe deeply into your left side, stretching the left side of the body. Come back to center, left hand to your hip. With inhale, reach your right arm up. Exhale, bend to your left, stretching the other side. Come back to center, release your arms. With inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, bend forward from your hips. Hands come to the floor, to your shins or ankles. Or hug your elbows with opposite hands to add more weight to the upper body. Legs stay strong, upper body relaxed. You can sway side to side here, back and forth. Do any movement that feels good. Take a big inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth, letting the tension go. Let's do it one more time. Inhale through the nose and big exhale through the mouth. Release your arms and slowly roll up to standing. Turn your toes out, heels in, bend your knees for goddess pose, hands stay on the sides. Drop your left shoulder forward, twisting to the right. Come back to center. Bring your right shoulder forward and twist to the left. Come back to center, bring your palms together in front of your chest and sit as low as you can in goddess pose. Engage your glutes here, keep the upper body lifted and try to lower a little bit more with each breath. One last breath here, sit as deep as you can. And then straighten your legs, coming up to standing. Bring your feet closer together to comfortable distance, hip distance apart a little wider. Take a big inhale, circle your arms up. Exhale, bring palms together to your heart, close your eyes for a moment. And thank yourself for taking this little break to stretch, to move, and to feel good. Let's take one more big breath in. Slow breath out. And open your eyes. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed this short yoga stretch and what kind of standing yoga videos you would like to see next. I wish you a nice day and see you next time.